How to add a shop button on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shop button on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Before I open the Instagram app, please visit your Play Store or your App Store to make sure that your Instagram is up to date. So if not, just click on update so that you will have the latest features within the app. Now let's just head on and click on Instagram right here. And if you're currently not in the profile page, just click on your icon at the bottom right corner. Once you are in the profile page, just click on this 3-bar line at the top right corner, click on settings, and click on account. Scroll down, and what we're going to do is to switch our account into a business account. So click on switch to professional account right here. Just swipe if you want to learn more about it and click on continue. Now what you're going to do is select a category that is appropriate to having a shop button. So for example, I'm going to click on a clothing brand because it seems normal to have a shop option within your profile if you are a clothing brand. So I'm just going to select that and select whichever category you are appropriate in. Just click on done once you have decided that, and you can also opt to display or not display it on your profiles. Click on done and wait for it to set up. Now what you're going to choose is to click on business. So it is best for retailers, local businesses, and I'll just click on next again and type in your public business information. You can also opt to not use your contact info, so I'm just going to click on that. And then you can also choose to connect to Facebook, but I'm just going to skip this step. And to set up your professional account, just follow all of these steps. So assuming that I am now done with all of that steps and I am completely done with setting up a professional account, just click on edit profile right here and click on contact options. You can link any of these contact information for your business, but what we're going to click on is this add an action button. So this is where you can actually connect a business partner of Instagram so that you can add a shop button. So once you have registered for an account within a certain software or a platform, that will add a shop button on your Instagram account as appropriate. So that is how you can add shop button on Instagram. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.